Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side, and I welcome you all for the morning market brief. So let's start with the SGX first, right? So if we go to the SGX, we can see flat opening for a market, right? Not a major change. Market is right now trading near 17,250. Okay. Now if we see yesterday, so we can see Nifty shows a gap down opening yesterday, and it closed like almost like 1.6% down. Same near to the Bank Nifty also. If we check yesterday's top gainer and losers, okay, so just change it. Okay. So if we see the Nifty chart first, okay, so you can see Nifty shows a gap down here. So after that, Nifty took support near 17,000. So we have created the support already, right? So 17,000 is a good support for Nifty as of now. Now on the higher side, if we see 17,400 and 500 could be working as a good support resistance for the Nifty, right? Okay. If we specifically check the OI, it was good long built up and long unwinding happening in the Nifty. From the last three trading sessions, we are looking for short specifically. And if we see the changes in the OI, it's quite small, not a big absolute change in the OI specifically. But still, as of now, we are not able to find any good support for Nifty. If Nifty take support 17,000, probably we can see the reversal from that level. Okay, if market breaks further 17,000, we can see market can slip further, right? So if we see the levels here, you can see 17,400 has added a good open interest on call. Same happening with the 17,500 put, call. So good addition. On the put side, we can't see a huge addition, right? Specifically. So 17,000 would be working as a good support for Nifty as of now. 400 and 500 is a good resistance. So this is the range we can expect for this expiry. Coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, same happened with Bank Nifty also, a gap down opening yesterday. So 36,300 and 36,000 near range. This is the range where we can see a good support. So I would be going with like 36,000 would be a good support for specifically Bank Nifty, right? Okay, and on the high side, 37,000 could be the range. So this 1,000 point range will take for Bank Nifty. If we specifically see, we cannot see any, major sign from open interest in the Bank Nifty, right? Okay. So if you see here, on an immediate basis, we can see 37,000 added a huge addition on the call, right? Okay. So out of like 21 lakh as open interest, 20 lakh added yesterday only in this. Oh, so that's a huge addition on the higher side. So that is a resistance on the lower side, 36,500 and 36,000. So logically, if you take like this 1,000 point range could be a good for Bank Nifty, right? Excuse me. Okay. Now let's go to the index contributor. So if we see yesterday, so for yesterday, if we see IT stocks added on the negative side, private banks on the negative side, and NBFC. So these are the three major sectors which contributing on the negative side, right? Now we can see the built up. So now coming back to the stock specifically. So our first stock is Coal India. Okay. So if you see that, this stock has shown a good upside move. Okay. And then after that, it was an unwinding happening here. If we add Coal India here, so you can see the stock is in good continuous cycle of long unwinding. Okay. Coal India seems to be fine here on the positive side. Now it took support around 185. That was a good support. Now seems to be going up again because it shows a long build up yesterday also. You can see the two long build up. So it's likely to move up from here. Okay. So on the higher side, we can see that Coal India is taking resistance at 190. If that breaks, it can easily move to 200 level also. Okay, on the lower side, 185 or 180 could be a good support in this, right? So Coal India seems to be positive. Okay, we can be bullish on this stock, right? Now coming to the second stock. So one is from the event. Okay, so it is again also showing a good long unwinding. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so the stock seems to be positive. It's going up. But if you see here, it was an unwinding happening in the last trading session. It took support around like 215, 216, right? So this is a good support. This was a breakout here we are looking for, and the stock took a correction. So this is a good buying zone again for India Cement right here from this level. Okay. So if we go and check India Cement, so anticipated level could be like if this stock take a dip, can take a dip towards 210. So at that level, we can go and look for a buy. On contrary, let's say if the stock break up this 220 level, it can move to 225 and 230. So that could be anticipated level on the higher side. So either we'll waiting for 220 breakout or we'll be waiting for a dip of 220. So that's what we're talking about, right? So stock seems to be positive. We can go and take a position in this. Okay. Not trading on the ban list. We are like looking for a Tata Power only as a stock in the ban list. Okay. Now let me summarize this thing. Okay. So for Nifty, we can see 17,500, 17,400 working as a good resistance. 17,000 will be a good support. For Bank Nifty, 1,000 point range, 37,000 is very near. So resistance is that level. 36,000 is a good support. Sector built up, we can specifically see FMCG, metals and infra are adding on the long side. Power, IT and private banks are adding on the short side. Okay. Now, the stock which looks bullish is first is Coal India. So above 190 seems to be good till 200. Okay, 180, 185 would be a good support in this. Stock has already taken support at 185. So that's a good level again. Second, India Cement. So it's trading near, 220. Okay, so that is the immediate resistance. Even if stock takes support, it can take support around 215 or 210. So we can wait for these levels and reversal. And if that breaks 220, we can go for a bullish side on this India Cement, right? Okay. The stock trading in the ban list, that is Tata Power as of now. Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care. Happy trading, guys.